Hi guys, welcome to Tech Tutorial. Today we're going to talk about how to make money with YouTube automation videos. YouTube Automation Tutorial 2023. It's a step-by-step guide to follow easily, so don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Let's dive right in. Now in today's video, I will be talking about how you could start earning money with YouTube automation and how to do it as well. Now, if you don't know, YouTube automation works as if you are producing or you have a YouTube channel and you're producing YouTube videos, but you're not really going to show your face or your own voice. Basically, the videos that you're creating are, of course, having someone talk about a specific niche, but you're not really there. You're not really present in the video. And like the automation word or title suggests, you're basically automating the process because you don't really need to do it on your own. You could do it with other people, or you could even use AI. So I'm also going to talk about the different tools that you could utilize in this YouTube automation journey of yours to help you start earning money with it as well. So let's get started. The first process is to monetize your YouTube channel. Assuming you have just created your YouTube channel and you have no videos yet, you have nothing, you're starting absolutely from scratch, and you want to take on this YouTube automation model or this business model, wherein you will be able to earn money without even revealing who you are. That is something a lot of people like because the internet is not really a nice place for people knowing who you are. So, the platform that will help you as much as possible to build your channel is called vidIQ. vidIQ basically allows you to reach a specific goal that you want to have. It has a lot of tools, even AI tools, that would help you with your different goals in YouTube. It even has the option to help you reach your monetization. And there's a big requirement for the monetization in YouTube. So monetization in YouTube, let's see the requirement over here. The requirement for monetization in YouTube is at least 40,000 hours and 1,000, or let's see the subscriber count requirement. There you go. As you can see here, 4,000 hours of public watch time within 12-month period, or 10 million public YouTube short videos views within 90 days. You could have a normal video YouTube automation, or you could have the short version as well, where you will be able to just upload some YouTube shorts. And the process is basically the same, but the amount of requirement is much more, as you can see here. And you need to have 1,000 subscribers, and vidIQ will help you achieve just that. There's a lot of features such as data ideas, keyword tools, tools, channel audit tools, and many more. You have also here AI tools that would help you, and there's you can do with it. I have personally used this as well, and it helped me with my journey. But I'm not going to show you my data, of course, but it helps you a lot specifically with your goals. You can also utilize social media over here if you would like to examine different websites or different channels in YouTube channel to find out which niche is the best. For example, let's go with fashion reaction, I guess. We could have that as a niche. And let's go look for a specific channel over here. This one reacts to fashion. Maybe this one. Let's go with Golux. And his niche is basically reacting to luxury brand and many more. So you could confirm a specific niche by copying this, pasting it over here on your social blade, and you will be able to see some estimate earnings. And as you can see here, this person's estimated earnings per month is $9 to $148, and estimated yearly earnings is $111 and $1.8K per year. It's a bit low, so you might not want to go with this niche, although it really depends on the person on how much views they are generating. Sometimes people who do the same niche can generate more views than you who will also do the same niche, but it's just different the way you present it. So when you're creating your videos, I suggest that you make it as high quality as possible as well. So we can check this one out as well. This one that I just checked out over here. Let's paste it again. Frugal aesthetic. I think it's a similar. There we go. It's a better earnings than earlier. You have $392 to $6.3K, which is very nice. And you could utilize this to find the niche that you're looking for. Now in YouTube automation, you could either do it by yourself or with a team. Now the team would be absolutely easier because they will be the one who will be making the videos for you, and you're just going to be there uploading it to your YouTube channel. But this process requires you to pay them, of course. So you're going to have to invest a bit of money and a bit of time to help build your team. It will be much more easier for you. It will be a very good investment because once you start earning, once your channel is fully optimized and fully monetized, having a team who will just do the process and you're just going to be there, you will have a continuous earning, and your monthly earning or yearly earning will just continue to rise as your YouTube channel gets bigger and bigger. You could utilize Fiverr or Upwork to look for this type of people. You could look for an editor or a content creator. You could even find an all-in-one person who can record, teach how to do something or talk about the niche, and even edit the videos, which is very nice. And this depends on your niche as well. You can also utilize AI if you plan to do your YouTube automation on your own. If you don't have the budget to start a team yet, you could utilize a lot of AI, 11 Labs over here, or ChatGPT, which is a very useful AI right now. And you could make all of them work together. You could ask ChatGPT to produce you a script. Let's demonstrate it. Create a simple YouTube script talking about, let's say, aliens. There we go. And it will easily produce you a script, and then you could easily ask it to extend your script. So right now, let's go copy up one part of our script over here. You could use 11 Labs for your voice. There's a lot of different voice over here. You can play around with it. It's absolutely for free as well. Then you can simply click on generate, and you will be able to have an AI talk about a specific topic or a script for you. And you could utilize any editing platform to combine all of this.
Welcome back to our channel, folks. Today, we're diving into one of the most
That's one of its example. We were able to hear a very nice AI voice. Now you could simply use like CapCut over here, or even a different platform. You could use Canva as your editing platform. You could use Clipchamp, and you could use all of those different editing software, and then you could just compile a collection of videos or even images to have as a content for your video. You could have Pexels over here, which is our royalty-free stock video place where you could download videos and even photos from this place, and you can compile them into one video. And another channel that does just that is, let's search it over here. I think it's Chris Invest, where they are just having a compilation of different types of video, but someone is talking behind it. This one has a style of drawing over here. So let's go. Let's check out Future Unity. Here, this is one of the examples that just talks up specific topic, but there is a lot of random videos or clips that are similar to the niche or the topic that they're talking about, and then they just get put in the script or the voiceover that they have generated over here and put it all together in one using a editor such as CapCut. And the process is that simple. And like I mentioned earlier in the video, it is not something that would happen overnight. But if you were able to do it properly and with discipline, you will be able to set up and start earning money right away with YouTube automation with as little time as possible. And so that's basically the process of how you will be able to set up and create your own YouTube automation and start. So that's it, guys. If you enjoyed this video, please consider for watching.